Welcome to your channel Myra Pro, hope you enjoyed with this video. So, if you're in the market for a new smartphone, Samsung is hoping to get your vote on February 25, when it unveils its new line of Galaxy S9 handsets. The Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus are expected to have nearly identical designs to last year's Galaxy S8 line, with thin bezels around screens that measure 5.8 inches and 6.2 inches, respectively. There will be a fingerprint sensor on the back of the handset, according to reports, though this one will sit beneath the rear cameras. Last year's Galaxy S line was roundly criticized for having a fingerprint sensor to the right of the rear camera. But there's more to the Galaxy S9 rumors than that, and here are some of the latest. Super slow MO. A promo video believed to have been created by Samsung surfaced on Wednesday that points to the possibility of a super slow motion feature in the Galaxy S9 line. The feature could allow users to record video in full motion and then slow it down to create unique videos. Animoji Competitor. Earlier this week, reports surfaced, saying Samsung would offer 3D emoji similar to the Animoji in Apple's iPhone X. Users would pick virtual characters and have the Galaxy S9's front-facing camera track their head and mouth movements as they record a message. Those messages can then be sent to friends and family. Color options. Serial leaker Evan Blass, who often gets information on upcoming smartphones, said last week that Samsung's Galaxy S9 line will come in 4 color options: midnight black, lilac purple, titanium gray, and coral blue. Stereo speakers. A report from Korea-based ET News that cited sources said the Galaxy S9 will be the first Galaxy S handset to come with stereo speakers. One speaker will reside at the top of the handset and the other at the bottom. New facial recognition. Several recent rumors have said that Samsung is planning to combine the Galaxy S9 line's face scanner with an iris scanner to create a more reliable biometric option. The feature would scan both your eyes and your face to verify your identity. If verified, you'd gain access to the smartphone software and other apps. Please help me by sharing this video. You'll not lose anything if you shared this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. At last, subscribe on the channel to get my latest videos. Thanks a lot for your time.
If you liked this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get last updates. Thank you for your time.